This is just a quick video to tell you what you're supposed to be doing, since obviously the day that I was supposed to teach you has now been turned into a teacher planning day. So you're going to go ahead and go to our class and you're going to click on classwork. You guys are going to be finishing days 4 and 5 in the bell work. So day 4 is going to have you read a better version of the narrative that was offered to you from the day before. So remember Wednesday you were supposed to read this poor narrative and tell me why it was poor. This time they made it into a better one and they actually added all the things that it was missing. You're going to look for all of these things, and on the side you're going to tell me what they are. So you're just going to copy and paste them into here. So the type of lead used, in this case you just be typing in whether it's question, action, dialogue, flashback, etc. One simile, you're copying and pasting it into this box here. One metaphor, you're going to copy and paste it here. A sentence that has 2 independent clauses and 1 dependent clause, you'll put here. You'll type in 5 adjectives here, 5 adverbs here, 3 examples of strong vocabulary, and 1 transitional word or phrase. Then for day 5, you are going to be doing expanding sentences. I highly suggest that you watch the crafting better and expanding sentences video before you do day 5. It'll explain it so much better to you, and you'll understand how to do this activity way better after watching this video. So you're just going to go ahead and expand these sentences, and then you're going to make sure that you turn this in before midnight on Friday. Another thing that you need to do is, if you go down to under assignments, you'll notice it not only does it tell you to do day 4 and 5 bell work, like I just said, you're going to do Wordly Wise lesson 2, exercises 1 through 3. Now I went ahead and I put Wordly Wise under their own category because some people were saying that it was just getting lost in the sauce and they couldn't find it under assignments. So you're going to click here, you're going to click on the Exploros, and it should take you straight to the activity. So you're going to do lesson 2, exercises 1 through 3. Going back to our assignment, number 3 says narrative unit test review. Yep, you heard that right, narrative unit test. We're done with our narrative unit now that we're starting our draft, so we're going to go ahead and take our test for it. Don't worry, it's not too long, but the good thing is that on Edgenuity there is a narrative test review that you can do. It's on all the stories that we've read and all the skills that we've done so far. It is not going to be taken for a grade, but if you want to practice for your test, you can go ahead and do that so that you can practice for your test. I highly suggest that you watch the video of crafting stronger sentences and expanding sentences, and then you're also going to do the worksheets for them. Now really, this crafting stronger sentences, I give you the answers for them in the video, so I suggest you watch the video and just put the answers there. And for expanding sentences, I don't give you the answers, however I do show you how to complete the worksheet in the video, so I suggest that you watch that. Your draft of your narrative is going to be due on Sunday. I have not posted an assignment for the narrative yet, but I do want you to copy and paste your narrative into a Google Doc, and you're going to be posting your narrative under that assignment. I will also be posting the rubric under there, as well as an example narrative for you to see exactly what your narrative should be looking like by the time you go to post to turn in the draft. Okay, so hopefully now you understand a little bit better. If you guys have any questions, remember you can always email me and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Again, I made this video only because I won't be able to teach you guys tomorrow's lesson, so I made a couple of quick videos and tried to explain things as best as I can through videos. So hopefully you guys can still complete the work, even though I know it is a teacher planning day, but I still need you guys to stay on track with the other classes, since obviously I already taught all the other classes for 7th grade their lessons today. So I need you guys to just try to keep up, and hopefully you can. And that's pretty much it. So again, email me if you have any problems. Hopefully you shouldn't, and hopefully you should be fine. Also, don't forget, novel study. I made a little category down here for it. Novel study is going to be due October 9th. Notice today's, well, hopefully by the time you're watching this video, it's either the 1st or the 2nd. So you got a couple days for that. Try to finish it up, okay?